Welcome to today's video, people. It's Friday the 11th of October. It's some minutes to 9 AM. Gowed. Gonna get gowed. So, for today's video, we will be updating you with the Hammock action and filling you in on some details. Today we go to collect our passport and our visa extension for Sid days from the Pai Immigration Office Centre. For that video, click here. Boom, boom. The visa extension, 30 days, and I'll be adding this at a later date. The video will be uploaded. That's the other thing I'm doing today, catching up with uploads. Visa extension, unboxing, and the Hammock, and then the Hammock update should be today. All need to go up online. Thinking to maybe lower first that end slightly, because I prefer the head, this end, and I think the feet could be a tiny bit lower. We'll see. Grass. There he is. tail. See his head now, it's going that way. Everyone, this is Sid. Do we all see Sid? He showed us his face. Going down that way. Sid. Feet end is better lower. And we're going to leave Sid to enjoy the sun over there. And if you've been watching, then please remember to like, share and subscribe, as it helps Breatharian travels to grow. Khopkhunkhap, and I will see you all tomorrow. Safety too.